Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold didn't really do a whole heck of a lot at CPI today besides bounce around a little bit. I think according to the pattern, it makes a lot of sense though. I still think this is very, very clearly a five-way pattern to the upside. I think that this is also five waves to the downside, which would make this a wave A. I would expect the next move up to be an overlapping corrective pattern to this move down, like a wave B, going to a percentage of this move down. Then I would think that it would go down to at least a 61 or a 78% for a wave C. So I think the next move is going to be an overlapping corrective pattern, wave B. As soon as it does go up, as soon as it does break structure, the first thing I would do after the break of structure up is put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because that should give you resistance areas for this potential ABC of wave B that I would expect to see next. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.